Okay, so hi, it's me, editing me. The lighting is like really terrible because I'm doing this at like 8:30 at night, and I'm using my desk lamp. I forgot to film an intro. I'm killing it at this YouTube game, what can I say? Anyways, what you're about to watch is me cleaning my room because I'm doing online school in my room at home. So this is basically my classroom. Usually there's like books all over the floor and my bed's not made and laundry and all that, so I gotta get it together before another week of Zoom University. This is a channel I share with my friend Lila. I will, if you want to check out my main channel, I do a lot of fashion content, link down below. And yeah, if you like this, subscribe, all that jazz. Okay, let's get into the video. Sorry. Oh my god, it's the neighborhood squirrel. Where'd he go? Look! Neighborhood squirrel! Bye! I use Vista color during class because, like everyone, because I am an anxious being, so I need to fidget or do something with my hands or else I get too anxious. So yeah, strawberry shortcake coloring books it is. I'm gonna put everything in my backpack because I'm not using my backpack, so it's a good little space saver. Space, a compartment, whatever you would like to call it. For all my Spanish people, love doing Sarah versus the Star, especially in college. Woo. next step is to tackle making my bed, so let's get into it.
Until 10, and I was watching my December dailies from 2019 and seeing
I get clean laundry throughout the week, but I always like throw it on the floor and deal with it now. So that's what I'm gonna do in this giant ass, here you can see, with my Squishmallows, pile of clothes I need to sort and put away in my closet. So yeah, for the next, I don't even know, I'm gonna be doing that. Oh my god, I'm sorry about my hair. I couldn't care less. I'm sweating too much. Okay. Well, let's do it. Okay, I know it kind of looks like a mess, but these are the piles I got, and yeah, I'm gonna put them up. So these are just general like shirts and stuff that are gonna be hung up. Loungewear, pants are in the corner. I believe that is a dress and a coat. So yeah, and then some miscellaneous things. Let's get to it. Okay, this is all of the hangers I'm going to start out with. I think it's enough, but like, you know, a pile this big, you never know, so. I don't know if can we talk about how pretty this top is? I mean, I don't wear it nearly enough. Just this like detail, lacy detail. Oh, beautiful. It's Liz Claiborne. Love that brand. Thrifted. I need to do an outfit video with this. Who's down? I am. Okay, so I finished my room for the most part. There's still some things like left, but I'm gonna show you. So yeah, let's. Okay, so here's the bed, all done. Yeah, I love Squishmallows and stuffed animals. The walls aren't finished yet because, so like I said, I had my bed. I rearranged everything, so everything that is gonna go here was over here, and I've taken it down. So yeah, that's really complicated, but I'm thinking maybe doing that in a separate video because it would make a million hours long. So if you want to see that video, I just showed you my little nightstand. I've burnt this so much. Yeah, if anyone knows how to not get it to burn like that, let me know. I light candles whenever I'm in class because it soothes. Organized my little cart, and then we have this little cubby, all nice and clean. We can see the floor now. There we go. now it's nice. So that is my whole room cleanup thing. I might do this every so often just because it gets dirty a lot. I have to pull my life together at some point. So if you liked it, give it a like. Let me know. I appreciate it. I didn't show you guys this corner that is next to my desk because I will show you or be decorating that upcoming video. Big things coming. If you want to see it, subscribe. Yeah, if you want to see that. Lots of developments. If you want to see them, you have to subscribe. I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.